All right, folks, welcome back to Clark's Cookery. We're going to go ahead and take a look at our bean seeds here. As you guys can see, we dug up a lot of the old plants and stuff that was in here. It just lived over the winter. So we're going to add some of our new soil and go ahead and take a look at our beans. Alright, let's go ahead and take a look at our seeds. Alright, so we planted about 23 seeds. There's about 3 or so that really didn't have a root forming, but it looked like they wanted to start a sprout. So we just went ahead and planted them as well. So there are 3 per row, adds up to 7 rows, and then in one hole we just put in a couple of extra beans just to see if they would sprout. So we're going to see there on Lord willing in a few days if we start seeing some green shoots start to pop up above the surface. So in summary, we use some organic raised bed soil. You use a couple bags of that, and then just some potting soil that we had left around, and we're going to check back in a few days and we'll let you guys know. All right, thanks for watching.